Happy Monday, spellers. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and I hope the sun was shining, although as I film this it's quite rainy, so I'm not so sure. Maybe you can let me know what you got on and what you did. Okay, so this morning we're going to have a look at a new spelling list. And there is no rule for this spelling list, children. That's a bit strange, isn't it? We can't follow a rule to spell these words. Let me show you what I mean. So yes, this week we are working on challenge words. These are the tricky words or the common exception words that you will know or you will have recognised from our tricky word mats in school. And the tricky word mats have a really long list of words on. And so we're going to split them up and look at just a few of them this week to really try and get those in our brains. And then there'll be another set of challenge words in a few weeks' time. Okay, so perhaps you recognise these words from our tricky word mat. Shall we read them together? Here we go. Every, everybody, even, great, break, stake, pretty, beautiful, after and fast. And you'll notice that these three words, great, break and stake, are kind of quite similar, aren't they? They've all got EA that makes a sound in that particular word. Great, break, stake. Even though it looks a bit like an E sound, doesn't it? In these words, it makes a sound. And these three words, every, everybody, and even, all start with E, V, and E, don't they? That's the beginning of those three words. So we can kind of group them into a little bit of a pattern for the first few at least. And then we've got some that really don't have any rule. So we need to just remember them. And we've got lots of strategies we can use to remember how to spell words. And we'll be looking at those this week and seeing if we can use them to really get to grips with these words. Okay, so the first challenge this week, children, is a little bit of a teacher challenge. You're going to be the teacher, and I've had a go at writing some of these words, but I was tired when I was writing them. I was so sleepy, and so I don't think I've got them quite right. I think I've had a good go, but I think I've made a few mistakes. So, what I'd like you to do is pause the video here and see if you can spot the correct spellings that I have done. Okay, so you might want to rewind the video to our spelling list and have a look at one word at a time. Every. Can we go back to Miss Lyon's work and see, have I spelt every correctly at all? Not down here, I haven't. Oh, yes, I have here. Every. And you might want to pause the video, rewind, and just check. Every. Yes, Miss Lyon, so I've got that one right. So that's one that I'm going to say, yep, well done, Miss Lyons. Okay, so I want you to go through my work and see if you can find the correct spellings, and then you can tell me how many spellings I wrote correctly. Okay, if you'd like an extra challenge, you could even try to correct a few of mine. Okay, give me some tips. Oh, Miss Lyons, don't forget Every. And maybe you can send me a video to give me some tips on how I could spell my words correctly and remember them a bit better. Okay, so that's your challenge for today. I hope you really enjoy it, and I'll speak to you very soon. Okay, lots of love. Bye.